Imagine waking up feeling refreshed instead of groggy, all thanks to a simple tweak on your iPhone. With the recent launch of iOS 26 on September 15th, Apple has introduced a feature that allows you to customize your snooze duration, giving you the power to grab a few extra minutes of sleep tailored to your needs. This update, which was first unveiled at the June Worldwide Developers Conference, also includes exciting new features like a sleek liquid glass design and enhanced call screening capabilities. But let's focus on the snooze feature, which has been a game changer for many users. Previously, if you hit the snooze button on your iPhone alarm, you were stuck with a standard 9-minute delay before the alarm rang again. Now, with iOS 26, you can adjust this snooze time to anywhere between 1 and 15 minutes. This means you can choose to have your alarm go off just a minute after you hit snooze, or you can indulge in a longer snooze of up to 15 minutes, allowing you to drift back into a light sleep before facing the day ahead. To modify your alarm's snooze length, follow these simple steps. 1. Open the Clock app on your iPhone. 2. Select the Alarms tab located at the bottom of the screen. 3. Tap the plus icon in the upper right corner to create a new alarm. 4. Look for the snooze duration option and select your preferred time between 1 and 15 minutes. 5. Complete your alarm settings and confirm by tapping the check mark in the top right corner. If you want to adjust the snooze duration for an existing alarm, simply long press the alarm, select snooze duration, and choose a new time. Now, you might be wondering whether a shorter or longer snooze time is better for you. This is where opinions diverge. Some experts suggest that exceeding the traditional 9-minute snooze can make waking up even more challenging, while others argue that extending your snooze time to 30 minutes can be beneficial. For instance, Holly Schiff, a licensed clinical psychologist, noted in a Reader's Digest article that once you surpass the 10-minute mark, your body may slip back into a deeper sleep, making it harder to wake up again. A 2023 study published in the Journal of Sleep Research found that habitual snoozers who enjoyed an extra 30 minutes of sleep performed just as well, if not better cognitively, upon waking compared to those who were abruptly roused. So, what's the takeaway? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you find that longer snooze times leave you feeling groggier, consider opting for shorter intervals, and vice versa. Just be mindful of your furry friends who might not appreciate your snooze habits. For more insights on iOS 26, check out my detailed review of the software and learn how to enable the new call screening feature. You can also explore our comprehensive iOS 26 cheat sheet for everything you need to know about this major update. What do you think? Do you prefer a quick snooze or a longer one? Share your thoughts in the comments below.